Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to reset and change password on Microsoft Teams. So if you want to reset or change password on your Microsoft Teams account, what you have to do is first of all open up your Microsoft Teams application, and after opening your Microsoft Teams application you have to enter an email address or phone number, whatever you like. So I would like to use my email address, and after typing in your email address tap on next. So now you have to enter your password, but we have forgotten our password. So what we have to do is just tap on forgotten your password, and after tapping on forgotten your password, it will ask you how would you like to get your security code. So if you would like to get this on your email or your phone number, you can choose whatever you like. And after choosing that, now you have to tap on get code, and now you will receive a verification code on your email address. So here you can see you have received a verification code. You just have to copy that, and after copying that code you have to paste it over here, and after entering that code you just have to tap on next, and after tapping on next, now you have to enter a new password and re-enter that same password in the second blank. And after entering your new password, just tap on next, and after tapping on next, here you can see your password was changed. So this is how you can reset and change password on Microsoft Teams. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.